In today's fast-paced digital landscape, applications need seamless ways to deliver data analysis directly within their platforms. If you're looking for a secure, scalable enterprise reporting solution, Bold Reports is the answer. In this video, I'll show you how to embed reports from a report server into a Blazor application. First, create a new Blazor server application by running this command. This helps you quickly set up your project environment. Once the application is created, navigate to the project folder. Install the required NuGet packages for integrating Bold reports. The dependent packages will be installed automatically. To enable the reporting components, we need to add the required CDN links along with the Bold reports interop.js file. Copy the CDN scripts and paste them inside the head section of the host.cs HTML file. Next, create a Bold report viewer options.cs file inside the data folder. Add the configuration to initialize the Bold reports viewer within your Blazor application. Next, create a Bold reports interop.js file inside the www root scripts folder. And add the required JavaScript code to invoke the report viewer. This step ensures that the reporting components are properly connected between the client and server. Open the index.razor file and import the required namespaces. Inject the IJS runtime to enable JavaScript interop. Then add the Blazor report viewer.data namespace. Create a container div to render the report viewer and assign the ID attributes and styles to it. Inside the code, create an instance of the Bold report viewer options class and initialize the render report viewer method. Here, report service URL points to your web API service. Report server URL specifies the report server address. Report path defines the report you want to display. For this demo, I will be using the sales order detail report from my report server. The authorization token provides secure access to the report. To generate an authorization token, log into the Bold reports report server. Since I am loading the report from Site 1, I will be opening the Site 1. Go to your user profile page. Generate the token. And copy it. Then add it to your application. Then add the invoke void async method, which invokes the render viewer JavaScript function asynchronously. Next, add the on-after render within the code, which is called after the report viewer component has been rendered. Finally, run your application. Your Blazor application will now load the report directly from the report server inside the report viewer. In this video, we've learned how to embed reports from the report server into a Blazor application. To learn more, visit boldreports.com. Start a 30-day free trial, or schedule a demo with our experts. Thanks for watching.